Whenever you are on the hunt for a home for self-use or for investment purposes, there are only two things which are most important. First is the name of the developer, the legacy they have created for themselves, and the second is the location. Location decides the kind of appreciation, rental returns you will be getting, and the kind of community you will have around the place where you live. This video, that is why, is perfect for you because you get the communion of both. Welcome to Raheja Jade City by K. Raheja Kaur. This is a mixed development spread across 55 acres in which 40 to 42 acres is dedicated for your mind space. The rest 13 acres will be your residential, which is your Raheja Jade City. In 13 acres, you'll be getting 11 towers. The location is very nice from here. Juinagar station is hardly 4 to 5 minutes, and also the project is bang on the Thane Belapur road, or what you call it as Sion Panvel highway. Since the location is Juinagar, anybody who is keenly interested in the things, lifestyle amenities which are provided nearby, they know that everything, school, college, hospitals, shopping malls is quickly accessible within 10 to 15 minutes. D.Y. Patil Stadium, University, Ryan International School, MGM Hospital, and for shopping purposes you have IKEA, Seawoods Grand Central Mall, In Orbit Mall, everything in just 15 to 20 minutes traffic. Then also you can connect in 20 minutes. See, in 11 towers, the configurations are going to be something like 1, 2 and 3 bed apartments. The one they will be launching in the upcoming months, which is Tower 2 and Tower 10, you will be having options of also Jodi flats, 1+1 and 2+2 options are there. The bifurcation of the towers be something like 4 levels of parking are going to be there, podium parking will be there. Also on the 5th floor you have amenities, so it is pretty much high in there so that the ventilation is going to be good while children are playing. Also the list of amenity is very long. You have swimming pool, multi-purpose lawn, you have your sports areas, also you have senior citizen area, you have also your barbecue zone. So the kind of amenities which they are providing is pretty much new, a little bit different, not just named different, which a lot of developers do. And also your first habitable floor is going to be the 6th floor, so the ventilation and the sunlight is going to be very much amazing, and also you'll be up and high, very far away from all the noise and hustle which is actually going to be there since the main road is close by from here, but the land parcel is pretty much inside. Also the entire land parcel is surrounded by Parsec Hills. A lot of greenery is going to be there. If you are someone who is interested into having an apartment with your amenity view, you can get that. If you want the city view, you also have that option, or you want the mountain view, you can get that also. Now we also have sample apartments to show you. I have talked about the location, given you all the details of the project. I do want to give you an insight of what kind of home you will be getting if you buy a home for yourself right here. So without further ado, let's get into that. This is your 3 BHK sample apartment of around 1030 square feet. At the very entrance, this is going to be your foyer area. Now what you are seeing in your video is the straight wall which you can decorate for yourself, but you're not having a view of the living, the dining, the kitchen, or a bedroom for that matter. So the layout is very nice. First of all, when you enter, on one hand side is going to be your guest bedroom, on the other hand side is going to be your living. We will come back to this, but I want you to experience the expansiveness of your living and the dining area. On both my sides, living and dining is there. Right hand side is your living space. You can make this your formal living area, your informal entertainment zone, whatever you wish like. This is the place where you can fit an L-shaped sofa, very good spaces there. You can fit 2 lounge chairs also on both the sides, center table, carpet, everything is fitting perfectly in the picture. The width between your sofa and your television is also very nice. That's very important if you want to fit a 85-inch television. With this you also get a deck with wooden flooring. The facade is going to be exactly like that. And come, let's see how the space is. The entire deck area is spreading from that wall till this wall. That means if you're a person who is interested in plantation, this is going to be a heaven for you, because you can put a swing there and you can still utilize this entire space for your pots and plants which you're interested in. This was your deck, and the ventilation in your living and the dining area is going to be amazing. Why? Because you get cross ventilation. That was your deck, and just opposite to that, this is the window you're getting, and not just small windows, like these are proper windows just beside your dining area. Now this space, as you can see in front of me, they have put a 6-seater, but if you are a big family, then you can also fit an 8-seater dining table. The walls are very empty right now. I want you to, consider getting a display of your crockery units. On these walls also you can put a cabinet for that matter. Now the part which was left at the entrance will move towards your guest bedroom and the kitchen. First, I want you to see the kitchen. The space of the kitchen is very amazing. As you can see, you also get a utility area with a proper door, and also you get a window. I'm not going to open that, it's pretty sunny outside. You get 2 platforms on both the sides. This is your wash basin area. The storage up is very good. You have enough space to fit everything you need. Oven, your aquaguard, this is the space for your refrigerator. Washing machine can fit perfectly outside. The floor to ceiling height is also very good in all the apartments, whichever configuration you go for. Now we are entering in the first bedroom, or you can call it as your guest bedroom. Now you just understand the layout. The door which you saw in the utility area, just parallel to that, this is the window of your guest bedroom, which means the flow of air from here till there is going to be amazing. The ventilation is very nice. In every apartment, I definitely point out if the layout has cross ventilation, because Indian population, we all know that we want to live in a breezy place. You have this wardrobe on your left hand side. The space is very nice. You can fit everything nicely. This is a space which is empty right now. So if you give this room to your children, you can make their study area here. Now let's see the washroom. This is actually a 3-bedroom, 3-washroom apartment. In every bedroom, you will be getting a washroom space of its own, which is very spacious. The fittings and everything is going to be of Jaguar or equivalent. This was your guest bedroom. We saw the kitchen. We did see your very spacious living and dining area, and the last 2 bedrooms are on both my sides. But first, this is the space which you can utilize as your puja corner. You can keep your gods and goddesses right here. We'll see this bedroom first. At the very entrance, this is the attached washroom you are getting, and this is the space of the bedroom. You are getting windows once again for ventilation, which is just parallel to the window of the last bedroom. This is the wardrobe space. You can do a lot of things with interiors in this bedroom. The space is very good. The layout is very amazing. Everything is, getting a space of its own. When you enter the apartment, nobody gets a view of your entire home. This is the last bedroom. Once again, the attached washroom was at the beginning itself. Here, this is the window you are getting, just like the other bedroom, and you also have one more window here for ventilation. The bedside tables can fit very nicely. You can use this wall as your headboard, a king-sized bed, and this is the space which you can make as your vanity, work from home, entertainment zone, anything you wish for, you can utilize the space. Around 1030 square feet is the carpet area of this 3 BHK apartment. The prices are starting from 3 crores. 1 BHK here is starting from 1 crore 28 lakhs. If you're interested in buying a home for yourself with a developer which has a legacy of around 65 years, this is the perfect place for you. For booking purposes, you know what to do. Contact us on the number given below.